everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Cheddar Bay Biscuits, just like the ones from Red Lobster, but these ones are keto. Right now I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and for this recipe you'll need 1.5 cups of almond flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion salt, half a teaspoon of Montreal chicken seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. We also have 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. There's also jack cheese in there. And then I have an additional cup of sharp cheddar cheese. And right here I have 3 tablespoons of butter that I'm going to melt and brush that over the top of the rolls when they're done baking. First I'm going to start with my dry ingredients. Next I'm going to add the eggs and sour cream. This smells just like sour cream and onion chips. It smells so good. And lastly, we're gonna add the sharp cheddar cheese. Okay, now let's put them on the baking tray. Grab 2 spoons, because we're going to fill up 1 spoon, and then use the other spoon to drop that onto the tray. Don't worry about flattening them out or anything. You'll want to make sure that they're kind of like a mound shape so they don't get too flat when they bake. These took about 14 minutes in the oven. Now I'm going to brush the melted butter on. Go ahead and let them sit for a couple minutes to let all the butter soak in. If you want, you can put a few extra pieces of parsley on the top. Okay, let's go ahead and try one. Looks so cheesy. Wow, that's so good. Tastes just like the ones from Red Lobster. These would be perfect for your Thanksgiving dinner table as a roll. Wow, I really hope you guys make these. If you do, let me know how you like them. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.